What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. We're going to tackle question 7 in the 4th grade release questions that North Carolina gave us this past school year. We can see that a cafeteria manager ordered 1,251 cartons of milk on Monday, an oddly specific number. He also ordered cartons of milk on Thursday, and he ordered 879 more cartons on Monday than on Thursday. It's a weird way to organize this information, but North Carolina loves to do that with their questions, so we're going to work through it and figure out how many cartons did the manager order on Thursday. This is the kind of question where it'll be really good for you to know how to translate problems and also how to work with your addition and subtraction fact families. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. The most important word in this problem is the word more. When I see more, I know that I'm going to have to start by writing something with an addition sentence in it. So specifically, if he orders more cartons on Monday than on Thursday, and I want to put that into an addition sentence, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that Thursday plus how much more is going to equal how much this cafeteria manager ordered on Monday. Now I'm going to plug in some of the numbers that I know. How many cartons did the manager order on Thursday? That tells me that Thursday is the number that I don't know yet, and that's the one I'm going to have to figure out. He ordered 879 more cartons on Monday. So I'm going to say plus 879 because 879 is my more number. And I know that that equals the information it gave us about how many cartons of milk he ordered on Monday. Alright, so if I'm going to use my fact families, I'm going to use my fact family tricks to rearrange this. I'll write this over here because I'll need room for the actual math part of this, but if I know that something plus 879 equals 1,251, then I can just as easily say that 1,251 minus 879 equals this number that I don't know yet. Now I'm going to use my own method for solving this by subtraction. If you learned how to do subtraction like this, especially with a whole bunch of digits, in a different way, then by all means go ahead and use that method to check me on this. But I'm just going to go ahead and do this how I think it's easiest. So my method involves going left to right. I start with 1251 minus 800. So now I can ignore these other numbers and just worry about 12 minus 8, which gets me 451. So now that I've knocked out my 800, I don't have to worry about this digit anymore. And I can move to 451 minus 70, knocking out my tens digit next. 45 tens minus 7 tens. I can use a regular strategy like borrowing, or I can count down. Either way, I'm going to get to 38, and that's 381. So now I can knock out my 7 tens because I don't need that anymore. And now all I need to do is worry about 81 ones minus 9 ones, using a similar trick, borrowing or counting down or whatever. That gets me 72 ones and then 300s. So I end up with 372 cartons, which does match my answer choice of A.